This compact Sbwwas recorder offers very large internal storage, so it can hold an enormous archive of long lectures and meetings without constantly offloading files. Its voice-activated mode and long continuous recording capability make it well-suited for all-day conferences, interviews, and classes where you do not want to babysit the controls. The built-in artificial intelligence-based noise reduction and digital signal processing do a good job of keeping voices clear and intelligible even in busier environments. A simple hardware switch for starting and stopping recording, along with straightforward on-device playback, makes everyday use remarkably hassle-free. The double-sided magnetic body lets you attach the recorder securely to metal surfaces or discreetly to a desk or podium, which is very handy when you need hands-free recording. Convenient USB Type-C connectivity, plus the ability to act as a basic music player and storage drive, means this little recorder fits easily into both work and travel routines.